County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, northern Richland County in central South Carolina until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 6 p.m. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additionally, rainfall amounts 1 to 2 inches possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. The following hazards are flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Columbia, Camden, Winsboro, Killian, Villages, Sandhill, Whitewater Reef State Park, Fairfield County Airport, Lugoff, Elizabeth, Ridgeway, Smallwood, Cedar Creek Fire Station, and Winsboro Mills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 82 and 95. Interstate 77 between mile markers 22 and 42.
To current vehicles. Never drive through a flooded roadway or around barricades. Turn around. Don't drown. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Report any flooding directly to the Columbia National Weather Service at 803-234-4115 when it is safe to do so. You can also send reports by Facebook or Twitter to Columbia or by East. Flood warning in effect from Thursday morning until